squishy haul. Okay, first we got this. It's also a Neato. Next, got the fuzzball, my favorite. It's like a flower. It has a flower detail on it. Yeah, but Next one. This one's a little bit different. Yeah, it's like a little stripe one. But yeah. Next one. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, we have this, like, it turns into purple. It's so pretty. It's also Neato too. We're all Neato so far. Okay, this is like one of my favorites. It's a bear. Neato, awesome. Next one, cat. It's a little cat, which is also Neato. A little one, ball. Not the best, but it's still Neato. Next, my gumdrop. It's okay, it's hard. It's not my favorite. Okay, next we got this cupcake. It's not a Neato, actually, but it has like sprinkles in it. Next, let me find one. Okay, my pig. It's so freaking cute. It's not cute. It's like the cat ones, but it's cute. Next, we have the original Neato. OG. It's also a Neato. And then we got this. It's not a Neato, but it's actually pretty, like, cool. Next, this is not a Neato too, but it's a little, I don't know. It's just pink with a leaf on it. But yeah. Next, we got this pink bunny rabbit. It's not a Neato too. But there's gonna be a lot of Neatos. Okay, we got the frog. It's so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. But like, it's white in the inside, and it looks like the cat ones, but it's a frog. This is like one of my favorites. It's a splat ball. But it's like, I think there's a hole in it. That's why there's this. But this is a cool one. I've had it for at least 2 years. This one is just like the other one that I showed you guys earlier. Let me find it. This one. There's lots of these little ones, but they're not the best, but they're okay. Okay, I have this orange. It's so cute. It's a Neato too. I just love it. Oh yeah, and this purple one is a Neato too. We have a ball. Neato, also. I think, yeah, Neato. And I love it. I have another one too. It's a yellow and pink one. It's a Neato too. Put those last. I have a blue or OG Neato. It's a Neato. We got the donut. I don't know what its frosting is, but that. Okay, we have these stretchies, which we got more, which aren't the best, which are Neato. Oh, I have more of these. Okay, this is the pack, I think. Yep. And we have the strawberry Neato. It's so cute. I love this one. Next, we have the mini banana Neato. I think, yeah, it's a Neato. It's so cute. We have this fuzzball. It's so freaking, like, it's soft. I like it. Next, I have this orange one, like the other ones, Neato. They're just really cheap ones. Then this. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me put these over here. So, next one, we're going to do this little fuzzy one that I showed you guys earlier, but it's pink. And then I have this green ball, the same one over there. I have so many, I told you guys. And then I have this one. It's literally like, let me find it real quick. Okay, they're like the same, but pink and purple. Blue and pink. But yeah, and I have this pink one. I actually like this one. And then we got this fuzzy, like really fuzzy ball. And we got this pink OG one. Oh my god, I love this. No, let me grab it. The big Neato. I can make it transfer into small. I think I have a small Neato. And then we have another one of these little ones. ones. Another one. Another ones. And, oh yeah, here's a small Nido. So tiny. And we got this purple fuzzball, like the other ones, but purple. We have an orange bear, but it's not as like, it has like a texture. I like this one better. Yeah, but it's different. And we got the cat, little cat, but it's blue. I forgot which is, oh, purple. The purple cat that I already showed you guys. We have this pink drop. It comes with this little thing. I thought it was cute. But yeah, it's like hard. And it's a Nido too. These are basically all Nidos. And then we have an orange one that I showed you guys earlier, but it's orange. This one. And we have this. And this one's not a Nido. This is just, I think my brother won it at the arcade once. I don't know. And this is the egg. I love this. I think there's another one, but I don't know where it went. I have more, but here's the other two. I have so many. Okay, last two. These are my favorite. They're sand ones. Oh my. See, look. Oh, let me do something. It's so cute. Let's turn the volume up to you. This is my other sand one. It's so cute. This is like my favorite sand one. But I like the gingerbread one too. It's so satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna pop one of the little balls in a minute. See you guys in a minute. Peace out. Okay guys, I think we're gonna pop this one. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay guys, it's kind of loud because the air's blowing. And let me grab scissors. Ready? Bro. I think we're good. No, it's not coming out. Hold on. Ready? I popped it. Whoa. Wait, that's cool. It's like sticky foam. I don't know. But oh my god. Bro. But this is what it looks like. Okay, let's play with it. Oh my god. I freaking feels weird. It's so, and it also kind of smells good. It's literally like the clay slime. You know what I'm talking about, but you probably don't. But this is what it was. Thanks. Bye.